When consumers are connected with Harman, they can experience a world of exciting and innovative technologies that help make their lives smarter, safer, more personable, and secure.
Dieses Video wird euch von der SanDisk Extreme Portable SSD präsentiert. Sie besticht durch ihr kompaktes und robustes Design und bietet schnelle Dateiübertragungsraten über den USB-Typ-C-Anschluss. Weitere Infos erhaltet ihr in der Infokarte.
I'm Brian. I work for Harman. And I also work for an aerospace company. I'm a proud husband and a father, and if I can make technology work for me, then I'm all in. Let me show you some key features. I'll start up the car. Now we're going to start right here. I've got an advanced system that is going to give me added personalization and security. It's going to have a camera right behind the steering wheel that will populate the various displays after it performs a facial recognition scan to identify me. This is very cool, as you would enjoy that personalization. So I just sit in the vehicle, watch this. The camera is scanning me, and then...
Hello, Brian.
Well, hi, car. Now, I should let you know that the car also knows who you are too through a cabin monitoring system that's going to help you to access your personalized entertainment choices as well. Speaking of entertainment, this system is equipped with a 19-channel Harman Kardon audio system with a front dash illuminated soundbar. Watch this. And I can control it with the volume as well. Impressive, right? Now, I'll go on a little road trip. I should let you know that I need a lot of versatility when it comes to multitasking because I have a busy schedule. I use a virtual personal assistant that helps me out with that. Ira is a system that's simple and easy to use, created by Harman, that allows me to bridge services across many different voice assistants and then indirectly communicate with them to perform Harman-specific vehicle-related skills and commands. In other words, something like this. What's on my agenda today?
You have 2 morning meetings at the office.
Awesome and simple, right? Now I'll turn to Bixby and watch this color here. Change the color to blue. Now talk about personalization. I'm going to go back to Ira, and it's able to remember a variety of commands that I've given her through the day. Can you read back all of my day's tasks?
8:30 a.m. weekly internal team meeting, 10 a.m. group alignment meeting, 1 o'clock lunch with Milo Matthews, and 8 p.m. dinner with James.
Well, oh, it looks like I just got an alert from my wife. She's created a task for me using our home smart speaker. It looks like I have to pick up some dog food. When I accept, it's going to navigate me to the nearest preferred pet store.
Okay, I have added this as a new stop along your route.
I quickly receive my suggested new route. And break. We're going to go to the back seat. Let me show you how you can enjoy a highly personalized rear seat entertainment experience. So, the vehicle has already identified you when you first got into the car, and now when I hit the control button, you then see our motorized high-resolution 12.2-inch OLED screens appear from the seat backs. I'm going to select some profiles.
Hello, Danny. Hello, Jennifer.
Great, and you can see a wide array of menu options available. Content is embedded or accessed through a 5G connectivity hub. The system is so smart, it thinks for me. It's going to minimize my data costs while maximizing bandwidth performance. Let me show you one of our displays. Let's say Jennifer is really into travel. And let's say Danny here really enjoys cooking. Now, if I want, and I'm really excited, I can share this with both screens using the sync button. Now, if I prefer to be more productive in the vehicle, I can go back to that menu screen. With my apps, I can read documents, or I could even be a little bit of a Picasso and do my own little work of art. Now, my kids prefer to bring their own tablet from home. They BYOD, or bring your own device. Not a problem. They instantly connect the tablet with the car, and they're able to stream content from the tablet to the vehicle screens like this. Just selecting a display, it accepts, and now I can view it on the larger screen. Now, let's say I don't want to listen to my kids complain about entertainment choices or climate control settings. They have access to all the vehicle's settings and functionality. Here is that same radio controls up at front, as well as the navigation, and I can even control vehicle settings as well for the air condition. If I wanted to go full blast or change the channel by zone. Awesome. Now, the most important feature is safety. This system has a cellular vehicle-to-vehicle communication technology that's going to help me prevent accidents. Let's imagine such a scenario. I want to pass the vehicle that's in front of me, so my car is using and communicating with the CV2X module on the motorcycle behind you, and it's communicating back to the car. The motorcycle is in my blind spot, and the car knows that, but when I use my turn signal,
Caution, motorcycle approaching on your left side.
I get an alert and all the necessary data to avoid a collision.
Caution, motorcycle approaching on your left side.
Another key feature for safety is this one, which is equally amazing. The cabin monitoring system is going to detect the fact that I'm slowly falling asleep at the wheel. Sometimes my car knows when I'm falling asleep before I do, and I get a suggestion in the center console right here that I should go probably stop for some coffee to wake myself up.
Okay, I have added this as a new stop along your route.
And finally, this is our Samsung SmartThings ecosystem. I'm able to control one device or multiple devices simultaneously through the integrated app. For example, if I hit Clean Home, it would start my smart vacuum, change the home temperature, turn on the lights, and set some music. But in this case, I want to check my refrigerator to make sure that I have all of the ingredients for tonight's meal. Through the power of SmartThings, I'm able to do that. As you can see, Harman's premium digital cockpit and connectivity solutions are helping to redefine the automotive consumer experience. These innovative and integrated technologies are helping us to achieve things that make the vehicle's passengers have an experienced ride that is safer, smarter, more personable, and secure. Thanks for visiting Harman.